Welcome everyone. In this video, we will have a look into third-party APIs which are built on top of third-party libraries. Let's go to API Maker Store, and here we can see all the APIs built on top of third-party libraries. Right now we have only two APIs support, S3 Bucket and FTP utilities. To install those APIs, click on the icon. You will see a list of versions here. You can select any specific version or you can install multiple versions of the same API bundle. We'll click on install API version and API is installed now. We have installed third-party API FTP utils. So now we need to provide those secrets. So we'll go to secrets. I am adding the new one, but you can modify your existing default secret. Go to end of your secret, click on this icon, select your FTP utilities as a bundle and select specific version. Click on insert code. You provide your FTP host username and password details and save the secret. After that, if you go to third-party APIs, and you can see all these APIs of FTP, and let's click on this list of files directory API testing button. We'll go to body because it is post API. We'll generate the single payload. Here it is expecting target folder path. So we'll give it as a root directory / and we'll send it. So we are getting all the data in a response. This type D means it is directory and the type dash means it is file. Let's go to this code tab and see how it is working. So here we can see this is our main function, and from here it is returning this list of files. So let's say we want only names. So let's write that simple logic. We'll take empty array and we'll push inside the name item.name, and from here we'll return names. We'll format the code. We'll save it, or without just save, you can simply send it and it will give you desired output. Now we'll go to this body again, and let's say we are going one more level deep. We want data of this .pm2 folder, so pm2, we'll send it and we are getting files and directories of the nested folder. We can modify it to return only files or only directories, whatever we need. Now moreover, it is using one common FTP utils. This common utility class will be displayed here in utility classes, so we can modify that also. Every API will have some documentation. So if you go to these API docs, it will show the documentations of that API. You can expand them, you can modify them, and it will show some basic information, the output type, those type of stuff. You can use this code in your custom APIs also. Slowly we will have many API bundles. In just one click you can just install it and use it.